guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making fake nails out of tea bags. First, take some nail polish remover and wipe the oils off your nails. Then add a base coat to protect your natural nail. Then once it's dry, empty a tea bag and cut this into strips. Make sure each one fits your nails from side to side, as these will form the tips. Then attach it to your nail using some base coat. As you can see, you can only apply the base coat to the tip of your nail. Once they're all on, trim your nails. Trim them a little bit longer than you actually want them, because we are going to file them later. Now cover the tips with nail glue. Before it dries, put some flour onto it. You can also use cornstarch. Leave a thin layer of flour on your nail and then cover this with nail glue. And then cover that with flour. And shake them up the excess. Sorry, I meant excess. And then do your shaping and filing. And you're done! Don't forget to check the description out. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with your friends and family. Bye!